Now, equation of the plane in the intercept form. Intercept form means the plane intersects the axis at 3 points, and the 3 points are known points, and we can derive the equation of the plane passing through these 3 points, these 3 intersecting points. We can derive the equation of the plane directly using the intersecting points, and also we can use the previous result. We have derived the equation of the plane passing through 3 non-collinear points. Using that result, that equation, we can have the equation of the plane here also. But we derive the equation directly here, and also we derive the equation in the Cartesian form, the vector form of the equation directly deriving, and also using the previous result deriving the vector equation as well as Cartesian equation can be done by you yourself as exercise. We will discuss this later in the exercise, but anyhow you can try it yourself as a matter of interest. So anyway, come to the derivation of the plane in the intercept form directly. So consider suppose this is the plane intersecting the 3 axes at 3 points P, Q and R. So this is x-axis, this is y-axis, and this is z-axis. Suppose this OP is small a, OQ is equal to small b, then OR is equal to small c, the distances. Then P is the point A, 0, 0, Q is the point 0, B, 0, and R is the point 0, 0, C. Then we know. Then the intercepts on the axis are A, B, and C. These distances are the intercepts. So we want to derive the equation of the plane. In the Cartesian form we derive. And now, equation of any plane can be taken as this AX plus BY plus CZ plus D equal to 0. Then we know capital A, capital B, capital C, capital D are constants. The equation of any plane can be taken like this. This we have seen earlier when we have derived the equations of the planes type 1, type 2, type 3, etc. So we can see that the equation of the plane can be taken in this form. So this plane passes through these 3 points P, Q and R. P, Q and R. Now, the plane passing through the point P means this point will satisfy the equation. So substituting this A, 0, 0, A for X, 0 for Y and 0 for Z, we will get a result, that is this capital A into XA plus capital B into 0 plus capital C into 0 plus D equal to 0, or this A, capital A is equal to minus D by small a. Similarly, applying this, we see that capital B is equal to minus D by B, equation 2, and capital C is equal to minus D by small c, equation 3. Substitute these 3 values in the equation Ax plus By plus Ez plus D equal to 0. Capital A this value, capital B this value, capital C this value. So we see that this minus D by Ax minus D by By minus D by CZ plus D equal to 0. Transposing this D to the right side, minus D by Ax minus D by By minus D by CZ equal to minus D. Cancelling minus D from both sides, we see that this x by A plus y by B plus z by C is equal to 1, and this is the required equation of the plane. X by A plus y by B plus z by C equal to 1, where A, B, C are these distances which are the intercepts on the axis. X intercept A, Y intercept B, Z intercept C. So this is the required equation. Okay.